In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted items in your account. Whether it was an accidental deletion or a change of heart, retrieving that important document, task, or file is often necessary. So, let's get started on how to effectively restore those items. First, make sure you're logged in as the account owner. If you're not the owner, you'll need the appropriate permissions to perform these actions. Having the right access is important, since this process involves navigating through the admin controls and could involve restoring sensitive data. Once you're all set with the necessary permissions, navigate to the home screen of the application. From there, you'll want to find your way over to Adminland. Adminland is essentially the control center for managing various account settings and actions, including dealing with our trashed items. Inside Adminland, scroll down until you locate the section labeled Owner Actions. This is where you have the option to review everything that has been moved to the trash. Click on the option to View Everything in the Trash. What you'll see is a comprehensive list of items. These items are thoughtfully organized by the date they were deleted, making it easier for you to track down the item you're looking for. Once you've located the trashed item you wish to restore, click on it. By doing so, you'll see options pop up, and you'll simply need to choose Restore It. This restores the item to its original place, ready for use just like before. Now, for items that were part of a project, the process has a slight variation. You first open the specific project related to the item. Within the project, go to the relevant tool area. This could be the To-Dos, Docs, or Files section, depending on where the item was originally stored. Once there, locate the menu option that allows you to see items in the trash. After clicking on this option, a list of trashed items associated with the project tool will appear. Select the item you want to restore, and again, click Restore. The entire process is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, ensuring that you can recover your items with minimum hassle. Restoring your items will ensure all your important data remains accessible and organized. Keep in mind, staying on top of your permissions and understanding your account structure will save you time and prevent issues down the road. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can efficiently restore deleted items, allowing you to keep your projects on track without missing a beat. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to check back for more helpful tips and guides.